everyone, I am Mayansa. I study in class 30. Today I am going to perform a science experiment that shows water has no color and no shape. First we will see water has no shape. I am going to pour water into this glass and ball. See the result. Water took the shape of these things in which it is kept. Because water has no shape its own. Now we will see water has no color. Now I will put some red color into the water. See, water turned in red color because water has no color its own. Thank you.